Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a Photos widget to the home screen on iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So on your home screen, you want to touch and hold. Once you're in edit mode, tap on the add button at the top. And in the search widget screen, go down and tap on Photos. In here, you got a small, medium, and a large size widget that you could choose. Next, touch and hold and drag it to your home screen and then tap on done. Now what this widget does is it will automatically display memories and special features in your photo albums. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.